The core three for when we are dealing with addictions. We tell the truth, we replace the lie, and we repeat it until we are free. So the core three, we tell the truth, we repent, we confess, we admit, we recognize, we realize. And then we replace the lie. We've got to rewrite it. We've got to replace the lie with the truth. And then the third is for the reset is we repeat it until we are free. We are free. We rewire, we reprogram. We've got to change our beliefs. We've got to change the words we're speaking, our actions, our behaviors. Our behaviors are the actions and words. So once again, we tell the truth, we replace it, and we repeat it. And tell the truth, choose better, do it again and again. Expose the lie, replace it with truth, and train it until it sticks. This is the core three. And we can do this with any habit we have. A habit is basically our beliefs and behaviors, what we believe to be true. And then there's our unbeliefs. Our unbeliefs are the lies and our beliefs are the truth. And then there's our behaviors, and either they align with the truth or they align with the lies. And our beliefs are below that are the cause, are the roots of everything. And then we got the stems, the behaviors that grow up and out into our life to see the fruit and what we all experience. And either those beliefs are coming from truth or the unbeliefs are coming from the lies. So we do not break addiction. What we do is we out-train it with the truth. We align with the truth instead of focusing on the lies, which leads us to our addictions, our vices, consequences. We go for the rewards in life, the truth, the wisdom. The brain does not change. The brain and body does not change with only intention. We have to have repetition. We have to have consistency of repetition. We have to repeat something over and over and over again. That's how we get caught up in the lies. That's how we get all those consequences. And lies or truth drive our behavior. And those lies, those temptations, doubts, fears, what we call DIFs, D-I-F-T-S, doubts, insecurity, fears, temptations, that drives our behaviors of how we're going to behave. And either it's going to be foolishly, rebelliously, obstinately, stubbornly, bullheadedly, or we're going to choose the truth. Truth redirects our behaviors towards rewards, towards the healthy, towards the wisdom. And we take small aligned actions, baby steps. Repeatedly, we do this. And either our action steps, our choices are either aligned with the lies or the truth. And that's what we're going to get. Are we going to get the weeds? Or are we going to get the flowers and the plants? So we recognize it, we rewrite it, and we rewire. Or we tell the truth by recognize, realize, we replace the truth, we rewrite it, and then we rewire, tongue twisters. We repeat it until we are free from it. So tell the truth, replace the lie, and repeat it until we are free. Those three things, the core three, to change addictions, which are habits, which come from our past personal, ancestral, and collective experiences. From this lifetime, personal, ancestral is through our family generations, and then collective is throughout the world. And then it's also what we call PEW, P-E-W, our past experiences and wounds, our traumas. So this can seem like a lot, but the biggest thing is we have to look at what are we experiencing, and we work backwards, because if we're not experiencing how we want it to be, we have to change things. And We can talk about it all we want. We can pray about it all we want. But guess what? We got to do it. So once again, the core three. We tell the truth we recognize. We replace the lie with the truth, which we rewrite. And then we rewire. We reprogram until we are free. We appreciate you and we are thankful for you. Connect with us. No one nor family shall do life alone, and take care.